Did you know a man was murdered on a London street with a weapon straight out of a spy novel? On September 7, 1978, Bulgarian dissident Georgi Markov felt a sharp sting in his leg while crossing Waterloo Bridge. A stranger had bumped into him with an umbrella and muttered an apology. 4 days later, Markov was dead. Markov worked for Radio Free Europe, exposing the brutal crimes of Bulgaria's communist regime. The government wanted him silenced forever, so they created the perfect murder weapon, a modified umbrella that fired a tiny platinum pellet filled with ricin poison. The ricin slowly destroyed Markov's cells, causing agonizing flu-like symptoms, before shutting down his organs completely. The assassin, known only as Agent Piccadilly, vanished without a trace. This wasn't an isolated incident. Bulgarian secret services were hunting dissidents across Europe, turning western streets into killing fields. The umbrella murderer revealed how far communist states would go to silence their critics. A simple bump on a bridge became one of the Cold War's most chilling assassinations.